Rico! Love it. I got my glasses. Yes! I succeeded! I was blind all along. Hey, how you doing, Brico? That over there. And let's see. Last time we ended on with the progress saving, I believe. So we have a save load script here. This one saves a load 1. Yeah, it's like one simple level. You know. Dragon Ball Heroes World Mission non-stop for past few days. Fair enough, fair enough. I played a lot of Heroes of Hammerwatch, which I really enjoy currently. Hey, sometimes the total garbage game is the absolute best ones out there. But yeah. Let's see, we got the assets, we got a saves folder which saves all our levels. And I talked a bit with my friend, and I could easily make multiple save files by just making a new folder for saves, like one for saves 1, saves 2, and so on and so on. Would easily work. But so let's open the to-do page. I'm gonna go check it out just so I know what we're talking about. Dragon Ball Heroes Water. This is. Oh, it's this one. I can see what you're talking about, yeah. Also DLCs, yay. But yeah. I'm gonna pause this with as well, I don't need that playing in the background to take extra. We've got danger zones and enemies, it's probably hazards I'm gonna start with later today. But this is the one we're gonna do now. The overall progress. And let's see, do anything more I want to write down here now? Not exactly. Physical arcade machine version port to Switch and PC. Oh god. That sounds quite horrible, I have to say. Let's see, we got the load script, we got the save scripts, we can save in and load individual stuff. But what if I want to check out overall progress? And stuff like that. I think I can, before I do overall progress, I'm gonna do so these levels themselves, when you get close enough to them, they will tell you how much or how completed the level itself is. We will open the pedestal, be fun. Duplicate the level name. It's gonna be called progress. This could be like 0% to start. Not 9, 0. This is gonna be like under the back name of the level. Level name, pull it up. We're probably gonna change the color of it. Golden. That. And then we add an outline just for safety reasons. I cannot add that. Never mind. Do it like that. Probably gonna increase the size. Actually, I think we're gonna increase the size of the level name, like 1.3. Like that, and then we'll present it there. But the percent is gonna be hidden until you get close enough to it. Which means we're gonna make another script here called what should we call it? Display level progress. Something like that. I'm taking the pedestal, throw it in here. Okay, what? It's not loaded completely yet, that's why I can throw it in again. And open it up. What we need is a text mesh object called progress text. That one also gonna be a serialized field because it's gonna be private but gonna be serialized. Then we're gonna have a float percentage. Do we want a float or int though? I might want to have an int because I don't want whole numbers. I think we're gonna do an int. This one on the other hand is gonna be public. Then we're gonna have a public void calculate percentage. And also under this we're gonna have another one, a save load. Just another instance of a save load script. Which we do in void awake. We're gonna go save load. Wait, I don't want to actually do it here because I want to put this as little, like, use as little performance as possible when the game starts itself. So we do save load here, it's going to be equal to new save load. If save load is equal to null, which is going to be for default, just for safety. It would still be null even if I didn't put that code there, but safety reasons. So, next step would then be using the save load. You can load the script itself, but the question is, we've got the portal here. Portal script and scene name. This one should also have a hold of the portal. Yeah, it's called portal. Portal. So then we can do save load dot load. Here we got the file name, which means we're gonna load portal dot name, scene name, which seems to be hidden, not accessible, but we're gonna change that to public. We can get the hold of it, scene name, when we need it. Then we do simple scene name here. That would load the entire thing, which would give us an int array. Int array progress equal to this. Portal and text. The problem, of course, now would be that we do not know the amount of levels. We only know how many objects have been collected in total. Can use that for now. So do another one, int total and collected. Hey, Lol Bran, how you doing, buddy? Do the for each int I in progress. I put these two to equal to 0. Oh. Oh no, I do not drink coffee. So I'm good enough there in that area. Anyways, we got a total plus plus always, and then if I is not equal, no, if I is not equal to 0, then we do collected plus plus. And then to get the percentage, we simply do percentage. No, percentage is equal to collected divided by total. Both of these are gonna get a float transformation. Actually, I could just start with having float there. I don't have to do a float transformation at all. Just do this and then do times 100. You know what? This, of course, is gonna get a int transformation. And then do the int transformation there. Get son, don't do it again. That's bad. That's really bad. Anyways, progress text now gonna be and at the end of this, you're gonna do progress text. It's gonna be that text is equal to percentage plus the percentage mark. And that will give us pretty much the thing we need. Now we're gonna do another one. If no, avoid on trigger enter. There we go. And if author tag is equal to player. I think it's a big P in player. Then we'll do this, and then we'll do another check if percentage is gonna be equal to 0. Actually, it's gonna be equal to -1. I'll put this base. This less than 0. Then we're gonna do calculate percentage. Coffee's life. Coffee is suicide. That's also a line of dialogue I would not have expected. And this should work for the case of I have set everything so it has a value. This would just return null, which means this will not loop at all because it's null. Which means we have 0 divided by 0, which is not good. That's a problem. We could actually, instead of doing all this, we could just do if progress.length, or if progress is equal to null, we could just do that, I guess. Then we could go all the way here. It's gonna be not equal to null. Else, we're gonna do progress text is just equal to 0. 0%. The keys. The C's. I don't know how to spell it either, so. I don't think drinking coffee is worth having 2 days of diarrhea though. Gotta say. Yeah, now we got that, which means we're gonna add another spare collider. I'm gonna move it up a bit. Then I'm gonna increase the size to like 3. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. And I believe we have... Go back here. We're gonna move these a bit apart. Up there. I'm just gonna... Let me save and start. Let's see what happens. I forgot to put... I made them solid. I made a collider solid. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Let's try again. Oh yeah. Also, what we need to do is no ray cost. Yes. Wilderness web. Jeez. So something does not work. I guess the obvious solution to why it does not work is because I never enables it. This is the one I want set active. Then we're just gonna copy this. Put it here. Just do on trigger exit instead. I wonder though, does this work actually? I don't think it will work. For the sake because it's the guarantee disabled, so I don't think I can change any values to it, but I should be able to. Let's take this one. I know I have values in this. Yeah, that works at least. At least it's showing up, but it does not change anything. So let's do a debug.log total. Just to see if it works, even gets in there. This is a lot of stuff though. Anyways. It does not even get there. Okay. That's because it's 0. It's not supposed to be 0, it's supposed to be -1. Base. Let's try again. 86%. That's correct. This one. 75%. Nice. And when you get close, you can see the percentage on your level. Progress. Now comes the question. If I'm gonna make hazards, my desk is dusty. But if I'm gonna make hazard, is there a point in making a life counter at all? Efficiency range frost. Pretty horrible, I imagine. Unsure though. Get a honey. Anyways, I don't think I need to make anything like a life counter at this point. I don't think it even makes sense to have one. Like, to be honest, doesn't make a lot of sense to have a life counter in Crash Bandicoot or Spyro either. I'm not really sure why they added it. Anyways, so I would go. We're gonna go into a scene. We're gonna take. Let's take level 1. And here we're gonna go add some kind of danger. Let's add some. Let's just add the box. Cube. This cube only. Where is it? There you go. There's a cube. Here then again come. This is the most dangerous cube. It's gonna soon be the most dangerous cube in the game. This is gonna be just gonna rename to Hazard. This is gonna be a is trigger. Gonna ignore ray costs. Gonna create a new folder called Dangers. Create a C# script called Kill Zone. Kill Zone. Let's just forward one step. I'm gonna go into the script. What we simply need to do is we do a on trigger enter. Then we do if order game object tag. We just do other dot tag. Yeah. So you go to player. We're gonna kill it. What do we need a hold of here? Okay, Rico. Get something good to eat. And I'll see you later. What's gonna happen when I die is that I simply just gonna throw the player back to starting position, I believe. So if we got level manager, we got the spawn point. Then I could just get a hold of a level manager. And when it happens, we get like 2 options here. We can either reload the entire level if there's no checkpoints on the level, but I believe there will be if the levels get longer. Be some kind of checkpoints here or there. What's probably gonna happen is we just do level other transform that position is equal to level manager dot wait. Our spawn point is not accessible currently, so we're gonna make it public. So we can access it. We'll just do this. That position. This should now do every time I die or I enter that cube. Hazard over here. I try to load. Wait. I'm gonna make this a serialized field as well. Throw the level menu in here. Which means now if I can't enter from here, of course. Reference accepted. Oops. We're going to hub world. We start this. we go into back alley, and every time I walk into this, I should be turned back. So that works. Yeah, that's a kill zone. Simple as can be. 280 times 1200. I mean, yeah, it works. As long as it works, eh? I'm just gonna call this as well a kill zone. I'm gonna go into materials. We're gonna create another material called also kill zone. We're gonna make it. Let's see what we got to work with here. Now let's throw the kill zone onto the kill zone before we go continue checking this. We got a few stuff here we can use. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Let's leave it at that. Yeah, let's just leave it like that. I'm gonna go back into prefabs. One called dangers here as well. Hydrants wide, just so I can have things like this friends. Friends! Yeah, that's actually neat. So what I can do is I throw it in here. I got a kill zone. What I can do with it instead is I gotta put it down here. Put it on reset. That position. And we're gonna just increase it to like 300 and 300. Okay, not that big. Let's do 200, 200. Put this static. And that's now our kill zone. Means it's like a safety net currently. If you fall through it, you just simply die. Make it invisible as well. So now at least I've saved so you can't fall through the level. But I do want to increase this a bit. Because we got the kill zone now. We can make our first enemy. I think I'm gonna make my first enemy, I believe. Or I could make one other thing before I do my first enemy though. I'm gonna go back into the hub world because I can actually do it on hub world as well, I believe. Yeah, I got the level manager here, which will pull up a bit. Use a spawn point. What we can do is we're gonna do another. What do I want? A cylinder capsule. I think I'm gonna do this. I gotta take one cylinder, increase it in size quite radically, and also in these to like half. Put it here next to the layer so I can how long. then we do a duplicate of this one, pull it up, increase the size again. Okay, 3.3. Let's create a folder base colors. We're gonna create all the materials now. We're gonna create one black. These are just gonna be for the color. They're gonna be pitch black and so on. Good black. Other material. I need a gray. I want as well. So it will be something like this instead. Go. Other material. Orange. With fire orange. Then we're gonna take throw the player. These two, I'm gonna get orange. The more fire red orange. That I can do. Yeah, there we go. That was the base color I gotta use for now. So what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna make it is a flame thrower. It'll just be exhaust onto the flame barrel of the thrower. And that means we're now gonna add another object here, or a particle effect. So what I would need now is actually a code. Yeah, I believe we do have in standard as environment particles. Prefabs. That's a flare. We don't need a flare. Not a wildfire, definitely not a wildfire. Fireworks, fire mobile, fire complex. You can just use fire mobile. What's fire complex with it? Yeah, nothing I want. This is better. So if we take the steam, this one is now put on the exhaust, reset the position. What we're going to do is we're going to this duration. minus 90 degrees. We're gonna straight up, I believe. Yes. Radius. I also want to reduce the range, but it's locked by some reason. What? I'm just playing around with a lot of stuff right now just to see how everything works. We're gonna slow this down quite radically. Or actually not. What we're gonna do instead. We're just gonna reduce the lifetime. 0.121. Just 1 to 1. That spreads quite a lot. I don't like either. So I've never really done this before, so I'm just playing around most of the time. So I'm spreading too much, to be honest. I don't know vad tatt det är över sidan. X particles, let's increase that like 500 or something. A bit more consistent, I would say. And then if we stop it, rate of time I increased to 20. Play and wake. Have a side 2. Move the exhaust down a bit. No, but technically just have to increase lifetime if we wanted to go further. But this looks to be just fine right now. Watch the... Or... Actually, we just have a water steam instead because it's not fire. I'll just leave it like that. Steam nozzle. Can limit that. Then we go in. We got this now, and it plays on a wake, but we don't really want to play it on a wake. Oh, we can close that. They're dangerous. Scripts. I'm gonna name it like timed nozzle or something. That nozzle will just be fine. On the exhaust. So what we're gonna have now is a serialized field float. Gonna be on duration, and then we duplicate it, and also do a off duration. So that means will give us the ability to change, like it if we want it to be on longer or off longer, something like that. Can also do, if we set any of these values to 0, it will always be on and off. Then we're gonna have another one. We're gonna have a float timer that's gonna be equal to 0 at the moment. And then at the start, simply do time. Oh wait, we need one more thing here, and that's a serialized field particle system, I believe it was. Particle system. I will check it just a moment. Is it the Smart Everyday? Oh, Unreal. Unreal Showcase. I know I haven't seen it. I've seen it in my feed, I believe, but I've never watched it. Because I already know Unreal is superior in graphics. I just prefer using Unity. You are correct. But I wonder how much it like impacts performance. Yeah, what are we doing? Yeah, we got a particle system now assigned. We got the on duration, off duration, and a timer on as well. Then we simply do We also need a bool on. It will be equal to false to start with, I believe. Anyways, here's timer is going to be equal to on duration. And on is going to be equal to true. That means it's not would now be enabled. What we simply do here, if on duration is greater than 0, then we do all of this. Else on is equal to false. Why do I only do false? Well, because the simple solution is I want to put something of these. If I put on to 0, the nozzle will always be off. If I put off to 0, the nozzle should always be on. This I do so I can then add something. Oh, that's nice. But it's playable. I believe it's not much to do in that game currently. Got a feeling. But it's good that the graphics are evolving that fast. Anyways, we got now. Here we're gonna just check on. So if on, we're gonna do particle system.play, and of course, and particle system that is playing. It's not playing, then I'm gonna do particle system play. Else if I'm gonna do off, no, on, not on, and particle system is playing, then I'm gonna stop it. 80 FPS when playing. Not bad at all. Anyways, here we got now, so it checks if it's gonna be on and off. Now we're gonna make a timer instead. So we'll do a simple actually we are gonna expand these. And then we'll move this one out here. Just remove this entire thing. Another if state here on duration. Let's see that. Let's stop and think for a while now. We're gonna have it here if timer is greater than 0, timer minus equal to time dot delta time. Time dot delta time, not timer. Time dot delta time. That's what I usually do, so that's why I'm stopping to think now. I have to stop and think now and then because my thought has not caught up with my writing. Wait, that's what we do. I'm gonna do another if check here. If timer is less or equal to 0, we're now gonna do timer is equal to off duration. Then on is gonna be equal to false. And then we do vice versa over here, it'll be true. This is also gonna be and off duration is greater than 0. But we also gotta put over here on duration is equal to greater than 0. That means if I now put any of these to 0, it should like either be permanently on or off. What is over there? Turn awake. Let's see this now. Works. We start this. We will start playing. It should be play for like 2 seconds. Then stop. Seconds. Start again. And if I put this to 0, it will never start. And I put it 2 again. Put this to 0. It will never stop. It works. Fantastic. I wasn't actually thinking I would get all of those if statements correctly in the first try, but I did, so yay me. Anyways, now the next part is to actually make this a puzzle. See, Collider, what do we have? If this then that, else if that else, fuck all of it. I mean, yeah, pretty close. Let's go see if what the almighty internet can say. Here we go again, back into the time nozzle. Then we do void on particle trigger. I need to find something that can detect if the player's gotten hit. With on-particle collision. Ah, so here we do off alter.tag is equal to player. We're just gonna do the same thing as we did in the kill zone. Exactly the same. So this one as well. Above here. And that should be it, I guess. Let's go check it out. We're gonna take the exhaust here. Load, give us a level manager. In the level manager. Go to here. Collisions. Fights with. You doesn't have to collide with water, UI, post processing. Exhaust here is gonna be. That's one. Subject. This was. Why does it still collide? I don't know what happened. Anyways, that guy should be useful. So let's see what happens if I do this. I'm not gonna, but anything happens. Oh yeah, probably because I don't have this script on the particle emission itself. So which means we could, what I'm actually gonna do is minimize this one. Copy component. Here. Paste component. Never mind. We got everything here. This surface must have managed. Did you die? What? Oh. Void Tower 4. Damn, that's a lot of lost stuff. No reference exception. Get up. I don't really need one here. Then we can actually put this back. Charlotte colliding with everything. So now if I have this, a time muscle, we had here. Nothing happens. Let me put this one to 0 so it's always on. Fair enough. Okay, so might be that. What's the problem? Nope, I'm not getting hit at all. Rocket League. I bet it would. Put this to 1.4. Only playing at night. What is he doing during the day then? Supposed to sleep at night, eh? Why doesn't it... Just about to collide.
System, this is our particle launcher.
Just not colliding with the player. Not colliding with anything with it. I'm just gonna create a cube. Put it up a bit then. It's a cube, but not the player. Weird. That's really weird. Like, it hits the player or the cube, but it does not hit the player. Ah, yeah. Oh, good for him. That's more than I knew. Those darn girlfriends. They can all play time. Oh. Did you get a sushi mat? I saw a few of them when I was on the combo. What's it called? What's it even called in English? Let me check. Kirppo in Finnish. Flea market. Yeah. That was called. The flea market. We have 5. Only! You need more! Grand store, retail, flea market, whatever you want to call it. What was retail as well, so? What's the difference between the player and this cube? We both got the collider. I have no idea why. I can't find one of them, but not both. Like seriously, there's nothing different in the colliders whatsoever. It's just another type of collider. Okay, well, enjoy making that, I guess. Hope it turned out good. I'm just gonna stand here thinking about this problem, which I'm not very a fan of right now. If I start this now, the player gonna still be player. That's not new, it's still player. We got the player. The layer default, everything is. Or actually, it's this. It's hidden this cube, but not the player. I don't think praying helps though. Not in this case. Is it just if I take this cube and remove it away? Now I'm getting it. What's it? What is it hidden? Author.name, let's take that. Let's see. That's the cube. So if I remove this. Still hitting cube? What? I moved the cube. What? What? It's hitting an invisible cube. It's nothing there. What? The hell? Like, what is this? Because it's this one is set to low. That seems to be the problem, yeah. Still nothing to play though. The only thing I needed to do was increase this to high. Okay, gone with you. That means if I now walk in it, I reset. Okay, well, that's sold. That was sold. Weird thing is. I don't know. I just don't know. I got nothing. Anyways, we got to work. Yay, let's go. We're now gonna go also into the prefab dangers and we got a steam missile. Boom. So if anyone's sitting in the chat right now, would you mind writing so I know you're here? Because I want to ask you something. I need a second opinion. Hey Rico, you're here. So I'm now wondering, should I leave these 2 levels I currently got like they are, or should I add dangers to them, hazards? Or should I just make an entire new level that where it's introduced those hazards? Also, yeah, I need to fix those home portals. We're just gonna do... On this we're just gonna remove... Well, only thing we need to do... Remove. Save it. Save again. I mean, I could do an entire new level, but I'm not sure I would want to. But I don't really want that. That's true. Actually, I think I'm gonna make a new level. I'm gonna make training grounds. Like, we learn everything. We're just gonna put a few hazards in and some jumps and stuff like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start on that now. We're gonna duplicate level 1 or 2. I'm not even sure if that's sarcastic or not. Some people really despise training areas. But yeah, I'm trying to make it like a training area who's actually like it's gonna be its own level. Like, you can collect stuff and everything. It's just a bit more things telling you how to do it. You don't have to listen to those. Like, you are free to read them if you want to, but you can just go through the level as well. That's also a thing I will add later in the game. Okay, let's create a new one. I'm thinking about duplicating this. Duplicate. Yeah, okay. Create a new one. New scene. Training level. Here. Yeah, agreed with you. Like, if it slows down the entire gameplay, if it's like those training areas, it's no fun. Not at all. It just hinders you from going as fast as you probably can. And it destroys replayability. So either do it so you can skip the area, or just make it so you can run through it as a normal level. Probably one of the best options out there. Orange. Okay, what do we have? We have prefabs collected. We need a level manager. We need a home portal. Level name is going to be home. These two portals gonna take you to hub world. They don't even hub world like that. Underscore hub world. So the reset position on this one. We're gonna of course just add a point. Didn't I make a box sometime? Actually added into the game. I think I have it in another old game here. Let's see. Yeah, maybe. There, assets, models, furniture. Nope. Items, maybe. Victor and bedside, blah blah blah. Key, iron fenced. Book, bucket. No. Main shore. Mansion. Key, fence, but. Where is it? I'm certain I had a box. It'd just be gone at this point. No idea where it would be. Props. Look. Iron reinforced box, there it is. So let's open Blender. File open. Go into one. Oops. And this. Yeah, I made like this thing here. Let's add another folder called models. And in here we're gonna throw this one. Did not work. Woo. Let's try this again. And open this. So that's how it looks. Was not good, but not bad either. I don't like it, but let's actually not do that yet. I need I want a more boxy box, so to speak. Like it's not square enough. So we'll make that later. So let's go back in here. We're gonna add. Stop it adding just a bottom part. Go into standard assets. Prototyping. Defense. So I need 69 by 69 floor. Let's start with that. Let's see if we can fill out this. Quite large. This we have. We got house. We don't need that one. We don't need pedestals or that. We got walls though. Add walls. Force curtain center. Put this on 30. 0. 30? 31 because it's. Yeah, let's do 31. 31, 31. 29. Create another empty here, we're gonna call this bounds. The wall is only 8 high though. Might not be optimal at this point, so let's actually double the height. I don't think we'll be going that much over that. Actually, let's keep it 1 for now. And then if I have any area which is close to the wall and high, I can just increase the walls on those so it gets a bit more than just, a bit better than just the box shape itself. Okay, let's throw that into bound. Oh. Duplicate it. Oh yeah, bounds is gonna. Let's move all of the outside bounds. And then just. What will increase with this? You just decrease it with 8, I believe. So we decrease it with 6 per time. So now I have 23, which means. Hello, youngsters! I don't, but I still have to learn it properly. Yes. Yeah. So 11, 5, -1. -7, -13, -19, -25. So how are you doing, James, by the way? I forgot to ask. 31. Actually, I think I'm gonna put this on 30. Increase all of these by just 1. Killing, you know, good stuff. So there we go. Then we're gonna rename all of these 2 wall. This front side. Oh, you're gonna play Warframe today? Then we're gonna duplicate all this, rename it to wall south, and this one is gonna be -31 instead. -32. I don't know why. But yeah, there we go. Now we're gonna duplicate one of these, south wall there. Give me wall. Put to east. What? We're gonna put this to 30. We're gonna rotate it 90. Rotating is 90, which gives us that way instead, so we don't have to do 30 actually. We only need to 20. Oh wait, yeah. We need to increase it 30, 31. So it's gonna be not -32, but 4, 26, 8, 29, 28 I believe. From there we stop working. Then we go 20. Eight, 16, 10, 4, not 6. Then we go 2. We'll duplicate this 8, duplicate 14, 20, 26, and 32. I can just decrease this. Instead of moving everything, I just can decrease this wall. 28 or something. Quite a good amount. I think we're gonna look at this one. 32, but 30. Oh yeah, this is gonna be 32. This one gonna be like 28. Okay. 28. Then I locked it in third person. Not 29. This one 9. All of these wall east. Duplicate them. Wall west. Over here. So, minus 22. Now I take this one. X-axis we're going to decrease to 29. So yeah, already that's 64 by 64 is already gonna be hard to fill. Chroma Prime has been out for... He came before Mesa Prime. So he came out in November, I believe. Yeah, somewhere around with 25th of November. You're missing 10 frames. I'm counting the prime frames there as well. I'm not even sure I can get Hildren at the moment, and Baruch is gonna take a lot of time to farm for you. Several days, in fact. Okay. I'm missing 1. That's only Quinox at this point. Yeah, that's all bounce. Let's close that. Pedestal. Let's leave it there for now, and then we're gonna take the spawn point. Move it all the way down this corner. Mesa Prime, Chrome Prime, Equinox Prime, Limbo Prime, Super Prime, Garuda, Hildren, Korra, Revenant, and Baruch. Oh, you got Mirage Prime then? It was before Sephiroth, I believe. That's nice. Yeah, this turned into Warframe talk apparently. Would you imagine? I usually talk about Warframe, but I play it a lot. It's not supposed to be Warframe talk, but here we are. I don't know about it anyways. I'm talking about anything the chat wants to talk about, more or less. I got a few lines where I will drag, but no, not back. Prototyping. 4x4x4, a cube, 8x8 cube. How does that look? Pull that out here. That's a bit. We can do with a 4x4. I want to take one point and some kind of icon for it, like a purple icon or something. So there we go. So now I can see where the spawn point is. Nice! Then we're gonna take this cube. I'm gonna move it somewhere around here. But I believe I want. Let's leave it there for now. Minus 29, 4, minus 24. Where did I go up to 0? Okay, so there we got that cube prototype up there. Then we're gonna take another cube prototype, this smaller one. Now gonna move somewhere around. Duplicate it, move another one up there. 6, 0, minus 30. Q 0, minus 26, minus 26. And duplicate this one. Pull it up 2, so it goes up there. Then we got this. That's also up to 2. And we made a bit of the start area. Just a tiny starting area. This actually, I gotta. What are you doing up here in the weeds? Get down here. We're gonna take all of these, duplicate it, and move it to 24 there instead. Then I want steps of ramp. Rotate about 9 degrees. Minus 25, 0, minus 28. Cube again, duplicate it. To decrease these both with. Oh wait, that agrees with 2. Yeah, so that would be the starting area. I would probably put like the help signs somewhere around here. Like this, move it in the middle. Starting area. I would probably do something with duplicating this. Duplicate again. Actually undo that. This one, duplicate it. This one, delete. Take both of these, duplicate, pull them out. Then we're gonna take these two. Might actually pull this one down instead. Duplicate. Duplicate again. Duplicate more. And these three is gonna be duplicate more, and then to 16. So I will probably put another sign here. The stuff. Wait on him. All the props. All of the. Now we're gonna go into my prefabs instead. Collectibles. I put out some coins. Server loves coins, right? Put one coin there, there. One. Bring up this. Another empty. There's gonna be coins. Just vanished into the thin air. But yeah, so here we got the starting here now. I would probably put two signs here. I would put one here telling you how to walk around, and then one here telling you how coins work. First. What I'm gonna do now is also I actually gotta take all of these. I'm actually gonna move them. One, two. Just duplicate it. Just to leave a bigger area where you can walk around. Actually, I'm probably gonna put the sign in the middle here instead. Yeah, then I would probably go something like either from side to side or around or just wherever. What I actually would need to put on... Let's open up this one again. We're gonna do... We are actually gonna do a few things here. Now we're gonna add... help signs. Who needs a plan anyway? Yeah, would help, but I'm not doing it yet. Yeah, enemies are still not started though. Danger zones I have in progress. Help signs, yeah, there we go with those. There was one thing more I wanted to add. I wanted to add a store here just so I can copy this away from now. Actually, let's do a progress lock instead there. Then of course I can copy this and just write store in there. So yeah, what about this is the one I want to do now. What do people want me? Nothing. Nothing. So which means we're gonna leave this level, trading level like this for now and go back to the hub world. Focus on player. Now have orange ears. Anyways, we're gonna go add a cube. This cube is gonna be very not that big. Oh. Oh yeah, that's the one. This is the one I want to create. I believe that's quite good enough for that. We pull this up, then we add another object, another cube. I want the cube or a cylinder though. I think I want the cube. Here we go, cube. Again, 0.1. This is also going to be 0.1. Take this cube, pull it back here. Increase the size to 1.5. Got the sign. A very simple sign. It's gonna be stick. Be the sign itself. And itself gonna be a shell of the stick. Move them a bit closer to each other. That. Next thing we're gonna do here, and we're gonna we do it this way then. There we go. I'm gonna take the stick as well and just gonna rotate a bit to the other direction. There we go. Now we're gonna go into materials because I want another base color. I want the brown color. Brown. I'm gonna find some kind of brown like that. Thick. Not dark enough. So like. Have we got a sign? Okay. Now we're gonna go in scripts again. Should I make a new folder or should I just make something else? Feels done. Let's use let's just make one called dialogues. Dialogues. No. And just call the script dialogue. Then we're gonna have a string, serialized field string called dialogue or sentence, something like this. Let's do sentence. Base gonna be 3 dots. Next do a void on trigger stay if author.tag is equal to again player and debug.log player for now. Actually I could do if input get key up key code put E. Put E for interact for now. I don't think I have E for anything right now. The sentence there. So dialogue on here. Then we add the spare collider. Actually not the spare. Actually, yes. Let's remove that and add box collider instead. This one we can now move center, move it a bit forward. Twist it actually, and move it back. Let's do 0.9. This trigger there backwards. So I'm just starting this system because this system is still gonna go quite far. What we also need is we need the UI. We need the base UI, which I'm probably gonna throw at the player itself. Means I will never really have to destroy thing. Do a UI panel. Let's take this editing tool, put it on the view, scale this down. Give a bit to the side. Increase the color to a black color. Off a bit. 200. Dialog panel. In the dialog panel, white. Something like call the white. Increase the size to 20. That. Like this will go into. We'll go into a scene where I have the UI. Have a scalar. This scale its screen. Change a bit things. This one back in. So shit right now. Really, really shit. What am I doing wrong? Let's go check. Pixel perfect. I have it. Like it's so not good text. Text. No. Why does it look like shit? Copy this, paste it in here. That looks like shit for some reason. Go into level 1 again. Canvas prefabs because The same thing. This one looks so much better. Is it just because the outline? Yeah, you're probably right with that one, but got this one currently in the works. Look better. Let me delete it. I want it. It's off. Why did 1 become bigger than 18? No idea why. Should not look this shit. It does. Anyway, let's go back to the. Let's do everything else. On the focus. Go to the helpful. We have the sign. We're gonna make it look a bit better. Because the sign is also gonna get an empty one. Called the camera position. Yes, there. I'm gonna put let's put gonna be somewhere around here. Take the main camera, put it on this just for the testing purpose. Reset it. Rotate a bit. Down there. I'm gonna make another player plus. Actually, we don't need that. We can let the player be wherever it starts reading the sign. Then we're gonna take this a bit closer. Oh wait, this closer. Rotate a bit more. Something like that. Put the main camera back again. We're going to play. We're going to take this yellow pen, slide with it. But yeah, now we got the camera position. This is not gonna be a person. Never mind. Player also got a camera position here. But yeah, got the camera position here. We're gonna go into sign again. gonna do a serialized field transform for camera plus. Oh yeah, with this also we're gonna change to a text area. So what happens here now will be that did the player have a hold of the camera itself? Get my arrow. When I start the level, does it set the old little camera there? We can get other player, we can get player manager. And with that we can do player manager. We do if first, if player manager is not equal to null, or if it is equal to null, then we go player manager, get component. No. Player manager is equal to get compo author game object get component player manager, which means we now should have orders of player manager, which means we can take the camera out of that. Actually, we're just gonna make this camera instead. So instead we're gonna do camera is blah 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 dot old level camera. If camera is equal to null there. Because we need the camera, that's what we need. And what we do now is we do camera transform that position is equal camera position and camera transform that rotation is equal to camera position that rotation. Let's actually close all of these. Open this one. Just the player manager does that. Moment then. This sets the cameras. Let's follow player script, so we can actually use that instead. So we do follow player. Old camera. Another get component. Yes. Now we got that one called full player, which means we're gonna add another one, a bool here called reading or listening, whatever, equals to false. What we're gonna do here is another if statement, if reading, or if not reading, then we're gonna do this. And then at the end here, we're gonna do an else. That's actually, I think, gonna be all of this. So just have to follow some script. So if reading is gonna be equals to false, else we're gonna have reading equals to true. And at the end here, we're gonna do follow player that's set camera that set information, Which is it? Let's actually make a public bool in control. It's gonna be equals true at most times, because what we're gonna do here is if in control, then this is gonna happen. Else it won't happen. What we can actually do here we can just do in control equals true. In controls equal false, and I used cut instead of copy. It's gonna be renamed to player camera. I could of course just make another camera and switch between them, but I don't think that. I'm not even sure how well that would work. So let's see what happens if I do this now. On this side, camera position, this one. Start this. Course. The sign, this one gonna be a trigger, and also gonna be subject anyway. Did not reset the camera. Okay, we also need to get a hold of the universal movement, player movement. Just gonna get another bool up here, public bool locked. Into the false most of the time again. Into update, and we do if locked. If not locked, it's called. Heter på ren svensk. Still. And we simply do here dialog. We're gonna do player movement that locked is equal false. We're gonna do the same with the script actually. I'm gonna do if locked and if not locked. Player movement that locked equals true. So technically what we can do now is something really fun. We can do this. We can just stack them in the top of each other. Like that. Because everything is the same thing. It has the same value, so we can just stack them all on top of each other. We also need to copy this. Here. No wait, this is gonna be universal movement. Let me just remove this. Okay, movement. There. Yep. So the only thing that doesn't work right now is the full play script. Transform that. Transform local. Or transform that local position is equal to f3 at 0. So that should now put us back into place. I hope. Let's try. Whee. It does. Whee. So yeah, now the second part of this would be to bind it together with the dialogue choice. When you switch this, or you start reading, it will also power up the dialogue. But that's for next week. We are actually been for 2 hours now. We're gonna open this, copy this and put it in progress there. That's it for that page. But yeah, see, we need some way so we can either level manager or we can get a hold of the game manager. Maybe gonna hold the dialogue panel as well, or the text. Something like that. I might also in the future make so it starts reading instead of just displaying the entire message at once. But again, we are testing stuff and trying to make everything work somewhat good. But for now, I'm pretty much done. The clock is like 4 in the day or something. Could you imagine? Time flies when you're having fun. But yeah, I gotta let go now, so again, use the commands down there. Oh no, it's the weed jokes. God damn it. Wait, use the commands there to find the Agno, which gives the story about that I might implement in this game, but I'm also writing. It's a bit slow right now because all schoolwork and stuff. And also use Discord to join the Discord server where you can test the game actually, and also it will tell you when I go live, so on. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. So again, as always, thanks for watching. Until next time.